Here is how you get your Adobe Spark up and running for your visual analysis. So, run a search on Adobe Spark, and when you select the option here, you'll be sent to the home page, and you can see that Adobe Spark is a wonderful platform where you can actually create social graphics, videos, and other ways of representing and demonstrating and creating, sharing different ideas in different media platforms. Really powerful, wonderful tool. For the purpose of the visual analysis, we are making a Spark page. So that's what we're going to be selecting. So let's have a look. So at the very top, you get the option to sign in or to sign up if you're signing in for the first time. I've already made my account, so I'm going to simply log in with my Google account. If you're entering Adobe Spark for the very first time, then you've got to sign up with your Google account. So select sign up, and then you're going to sign up with Google. And it'll send you to a screen like this. That will just confirm that you are going to be logging in using your Google account. It's important you do this so you get all the benefits of being in education. And you're going to be selecting Enterprise ID. It's not a personal account, it's your school account. Enterprise ID. And that will connect you and give you all the wonderful free features of this platform. When you're in the top left-hand corner, you'll see this blue plus icon. You're going to select this, and then you'll get an option for some templates here. You can click View All to see what other templates are available, but we're going to focus on this one here, the web page, because you're going to be creating a space for your visual analysis. When it boots up, you'll have this screen here. What you need to do to start with is to put your name on it. Tell me what it is. At this point, as you can see here, change the background. So you'll notice you get these options here. Connect to your Google Drive, run a search on Google for copyright-free images, or look at other platforms like Dropbox or Adobe Stock. We're going to simply, in this situation, going to click free photos. Actually, we're going to do free photos. I'm going to run a search on film because I'm going to be looking at film for my visual analysis, and I like that one there. And as you can see, it co-designs with me. And my presentation so far looks like this. So click on present, I can see how it looks to the audience, the consumer, the client as it were. And so far, that is my visual analysis. Press escape to come out of that. Okay, let's start writing our story. So I'm going to add an introduction at this point. Big enough, so I'm going to click on heading 1, heading 2. I like heading 1. There we go. I'm going to centralize that as well. Cool. At this point, I want to add an image, so I'm going to click on photo. I saved a couple of images earlier on, so let's go to upload photo from my desktop. See what the resolution's like. Okay, it's quite small, so I'm going to go to full width, and it's quite small, isn't it? So make it window. It doesn't quite work because the resolution is quite small. Inline works a bit better. Okay, at this point you can start to be creative and add in as many photos, videos, text boxes as you see fit. That's quite nice like that. I quite like it. So I'm going to add a text box underneath here. I'm going to give a bit of introduction about my visual analysis at this point. Then underneath it, add a video. So I'm going to get a video here, Shining trailer. I'm going to right click, copy, or Control and C, Control and V. Then I'm going to paste it in here. Then underneath it, I'm going to add some text of me analysing this clip that I've added into my Adobe Spark page. Underneath it, I'm going to add some images. I'm going to add this one, this one, and this one. And then underneath it, I'm going to add a glide show. I'm going to add in this image here, and then I'm going to add in this image here. I'm going to add in this image here. The glide show is a way to actually have your work have a nice background, as you can see here, as you talk through certain points. This would be quite nice, I think, to illustrate the analysis I want to do. So I'm going to add in some text, then a bit more text, maybe add a photo at this point. Then add some more text. Okay, happy with that. So let's see how my Adobe Spark page is looking at this point. To do that, I can either select Preview or Present. I'm going to just select Present right now. So this is how it looks to the teacher at this point, the person marking your work, myself, Rachel, and Vicky. Starts like this, scrolls down, introduction, video, text, images, and goes into a glide show, like so. It ends with credits of where the images are from. So you can see how Adobe Spark Page, in what has been not very long at all, can be used to actually create quite an interesting presentation for your visual analysis work. You're going to be creating your work in Adobe Spark Page. And at the end of your work, after adding all your analysis of your 4 visual media examples, you're simply going to press share. And you're going to then either press send to Google Drive or publish and share link. Either's fine, as long as I get the link at the end. I'm going to select publish and share link. And it'll give me a little overview. I can put it into a different category if I want other people to find it online. I'm going to create a link. I'll create a unique URL. Here you go. Which I can then submit in Google Classroom and share it in Google Chat with the rest of my fellow students at the end of the project. I can also tweet it and share it in Classroom by pressing the button here. Lovely. There you go. Simple as that. It's a really nice tool. I've used it in the past, as you can see here, when I did my Adobe qualification last summer. You can use Adobe Spark Page to help you illustrate and show your thinking, help you tell a story visually, to help you punctuate what you are talking about with really interesting visuals, dynamic graphics, as well as videos, and of course text as well to bring it all together. You're going to be creating your Adobe Spark page and submitting it for your visual analysis. If you've got any questions or need any help, we're available to help you, as is young Jay Anderson as well. He is also available. Having become an Adobe creative educator recently, he is ideally positioned to help you with any of the Adobe tools. Okay? Fantastic. Good luck.